InstaPURE is the first step in the dry fog process and uses an EPA-registered cold sterilant to fill the volume of space and kill surface and airborne pathogens. Pathogens are constantly being introduced into your environment. They float around and look for places to settle and reproduce. The second step in the patented two-part dry fog system is an EPA-registered antimicrobial treatment we call EverPURE. This antimicrobial will coat every square inch of a facility and protect those surfaces from mold, bacteria, and virus. The particles used in the EverPURE process contains a positive charged nitrogen molecule with carbon atoms stacked on top, creating a spike. When new pathogens are introduced to a facility, they are electrostatically attracted to the positive charge, and the carbon spike pierces the outer membrane, denaturing the unwanted microbe. This keeps your environment free from pathogens long after the treatment.